We're going live again, and sorry for disconnecting again because the thing was the camera vision was not visible. Many people were saying they were not able to see me, so that's the issue. Malini is joining again, back again. Yeah, Malini, please, you have to keep your phone horizontal before going live. So I'm extremely sorry because I had to disconnect again. Um, yeah. Yeah, Pratima, I fixed my phone call. I fixed my phone on the tripod. And Mali
Yep.
is connected. Mali, we should only be vertical. I mean, horizontal, not vertical. That's the
Okay.
problem.
Fine.
Yeah, people can't see
Perfect.
me. They were
Perfect.
saying, messaging me continuously. That's why I had to disconnect you. So we were
Okay.
talking
Okay.
about what should the first? What tell me one tip instantly if I suddenly got a suddenly if I get a negative thought like me, so many people are there. What should I do?
Work out. Put your energies the right way. Your mind, body, soul connected.
So workout is something. So okay,
It's not just about workout. Do anything which makes you feel happy, but definitely exercising. Any form of exercise. Again, coming back. Any form of exercise
hmm,
is always beneficial. It is the best way. Do meditation. Do
hmm,
pranayama. Do some yoga stretches. Do some
okay,
aerobics. Do
okay,
whatever gives you that happiness, whatever gives you the satisfaction. Do
okay.
something, but don't just sit idle. We say no, idle mind is a devil's workshop. That is how it is going
Absolutely,
to be.
absolutely. You have said the correct word because most of the time, even I feel that like me, many people will be there because 80% of people feel like me. I feel like that because constantly they ask me. So you're
See,
saying immediately when somebody gets this thing negative thoughts, they should do something. So what
see,
happens?
being busy is something.
Hmm,
Just 1 minute here. Being
hmm,
busy is something,
hmm.
but being productively and happily busy is something.
Okay.
So, like nowadays, everyone seems to be very busy cooking, cleaning, jadu
That's a
pocha,
new style
trend.
now. Yeah.
So, what I'm saying, do something that is inevitable. That is
Hmm.
something like how I said, matter of acceptance. There will be changes. A lot of people have made changes in their families, in their lifestyle, making things very easy for them. A little more organized rather. Organized rather. So, whatever time you have, put it in the right direction. See, we
Okay.
know why are we in the lockdown? Because of some unknown virus, some parasite
Correct.
somewhere,
Correct.
something,
Correct. Yeah.
something. Okay, and those
Correct.
are all technical parts. Can we
Correct.
do something about it? We
No.
can't go and do something to the corona devil, but we can take care of ourselves. We can always build our own immunities. How do you do that? Work on that. There is a problem. There is a problem. Address the problem. Come out with the solution. You can't say, oh, I have a problem. I have a problem. But I don't want to do anything about it. There's no big deal. Right? So when
Absolutely.
you have a problem, it's about your diagnosis and your treatment. Diagnosis
Hmm.
is you have to be willing to, yes, I have a problem. I am getting into the negative mode. So what do I do to come out of it? For me, if you
Correct.
ask me, definitely it is my fitness. Anyone for that matter. Anyone for
Okay.
that matter.
Hmm.
Definitely it gives you a very, very positive feeling. I would
So,
say,
Manli is recommending to do any form of exercise. It can be yoga, it can be meditation,
anything.
it can be aerobics, it can be Zumba or whatever.
It can be swimming. But one thing, Jyoti, in this period especially, you
Hmm.
should not be overtraining. That is one dangerous thing.
Okay.
It's good to do a workout, the right kind of workout in
Hmm.
moderation. Anything,
Hmm.
whether it is
Hmm.
a diet or a exercise program, it has to be a balanced one. It has to be a moderate one, not
Okay.
something where you go very, very high intensity, very, very, very high, and you're overtraining. And at the end
Hmm.
of the day, what will happen? Your immunity will go down with that. So do
Absolutely.
the right thing, do the right thing at the right time in the right quantity. So
Oh,
again,
wow.
coming back to balancing.
Hmm.
So there is nothing like you should do, you should not do. Don't overdo anything. That is my funda.
Hmm. So there are a lot of comments coming there. I mean, there have a lot of questions. People are asking some questions. Pratima was saying that she likes to do meditation.
Why
So
not? Why not? Meditation, that's wonderful. But again, coming back to meditation, I'm not a yoga certified trainer or let's be very clear about it. But
okay.
I strongly believe meditation is not about a forced meditation where, okay, close your eyes. No, no, no.
Hmm.
Lot of people, in spite of doing that for such a long time, they come out of that, and we have seen so many people. You have seen it yourself. They come out and they're still the same, agitated, and no,
Hmm.
meditation has to come from within.
Hmm.
That again, coming back, you should be willing to do that. You should like doing it. For me,
Oh.
if you ask
Hmm.
me, just a few moments just by yourself and thinking positive and just thinking about yourself, some time for yourself, some breathing for yourself also is meditation.
Correct.
If you see a lot of people, they talk about addiction, about a tea or a coffee.
Coffee.
For
Correct.
me, if you ask me, it's probably it's not about the caffeine or anything. Sometimes when somebody is having that, even those few moments, they're just with their self. That
Got it.
also can be a kind of meditation. So it's just about feeling good yourself and being happy and relaxed from within. It has to come from within. You can't force anyone to do it, but if you enjoy doing something, just do it. But there's
Perfectly
nothing
correct.
like you do this, you get this, you do this, you get this. No, there's nothing like that. Do
But
whatever suits
what
you.
is happening, Malini, I understand. What's happening is, many people after the lockdown, there is lot of, there is a lot of gurus coming in. There is a lot of,
That's
breathing
wonderful.
exercise.
That's a great change. That's a great change. That's wonderful. The more the merrier. We have to understand. But again, see, I might have a guru like a Sadguru or anyone. I will listen to what he says and I come out and I do my own thing. In what way will that help? We are
Hmm.
only, it is sad that if you are doing that. What I'm saying, whatever they're doing, you
Hmm.
know, you want to go and do meditation. If not 100%, do 10%, but happily. That, satisfaction and that intention to do it has to be there first. If you have the intention to do something, automatically everything will follow. But if you don't have the intention, if you're forced to do something and you're just saying, okay, I did it, then it's not going to help. So
Okay, okay.
everything is good. Everything, and I mean, the whole world is going back to meditation, yoga, everything. Here, it's all about that. It's about balance of everything. But if you're
Got
saying
it.
only one thing will give you that, there is nothing like that. Everything in limitation. Do meditation, do yoga, do your cardio, do your weight training if you want. Balance everything, but never overtraining. Never, never, ever.
Never do too much of anything. That's what you're saying.
Anything. Yeah.
Okay. So next, I'm asking the next question. I want people, if you have any queries, you can ask Malini. So she'll answer on fitness. She'll answer a little bit on diet also. What does, because I'll also be asking her about diet. But yeah, she'll be able to tell us about diet. And also, since Malini is more than I think 2 decades in fitness industry, Malini, tell me something. Who
Less than.
inspired you to come to fitness industry?
That's a very big question. That's a very long story, but to cut
Make
it
it
short,
short, short.
yeah, short and sweet. There are a lot of people. There are a lot of people. First,
Uh,
I was an admin with Dinas. I was a client, then an admin. Then
okay,
I was never a 9 to 5 kind of a person. So I
okay.
quit. Then there was this my friend called David who
Hmm.
said, "Why don't you do the instructor?" I was always unhealthy, always with back pain, always with neck pain, always having some issue or other. I said, "What? How can I? How can I become an instructor?" So it was like, what will happen? What will happen? I said, no,
Correct.
no, I can't do. At the maximum, what will happen? You'll die. That gave me that thing. Yeah, what will happen? Why not try? And then my brother-in-law Anand, my sister Manjari, my husband, my mother-in-law. They
Okay.
all supported me.
The
They
first
all,
thing
so
you talk about your
first
mother-in-law, right?
inspiration undoubtedly is Dinas. I mean, looking at her, we always think, "Arey, we should be like that, like that." You know, you will have a role model or someone like that.
Very
Then
true.
the whole
Very true.
journey started. But I
Okay.
mean, it was never planned. Absolutely no planning.
Mm-hmm.
But a lot of people contributed. I can't say one person, but everybody,
Mm-hmm.
including my mother-in-law, because she really encouraged me.
Very nice, Malini. It's very nice
Yes.
to hear about your journey in a short of you crisp to 1 minute.
Yeah.
So
Otherwise, it's a very long story.
I understand.
But yeah, you know.
So you have trained many people and you have made somebody to follow your fitness and diet. Tell me something. Have you ever felt that enough? I've done with this fitness thing. I just want to do something else.
Never, never. Given a choice till my last breath, I would like to continue doing this. Now,
Okay.
this is my life, my passion, everything. I mean, given a choice, I mean, if at all God will come and ask me for one wish, I will say, let me work till my last second. If
Oh,
not,
awesome,
yeah,
awesome.
maybe a minute. Yeah, that's
So
see when you. That's what I'm saying. When you enjoy doing something,
okay.
that's it. If I'm forced to do this, then I will not be doing justice to my job. I would rather not do it. I move away and let someone else take over.
Very good, very good. So you're teaching fitness for many people now. Since there is a lockdown and we don't know what will happen even after the lockdown. What do you think will be the next thing in the fitness field? Will there will be a lot of online classes, or will people still start coming to gym? What do you think? What would be the next thing?
Like how I said, everything happens for a reason, Jyoti.
Hmm.
Now everybody's focus is on fitness.
Hmm.
Everybody's focus, people who never thought about fitness, who never thought about doing any kind of an exercise, who never thought about breathing exercises or anything, forget about
Correct.
anything.
Correct.
Everyone started thinking. That is
Hmm.
the biggest change. That is the biggest change.
Hmm.
You don't have to go out and do it and spend money, or all those things are secondary. But first, again, like how I said, the intention of working on their fitness has come. That
Hmm.
change, I mean, at least I never thought I would see such a great change right now. That's
Ah.
what I'm looking at, all the positive side of this story.
Correct.
So there is a lot of change in terms of people's attitude and
Hmm.
thought process towards fitness. Everyone thought, oh, I'm fine, my weight is perfect, I don't need to exercise, I don't, నాకు అవసరం లేదు, not necessary, I'm thin. It's not about being thin or fat, it's about being fit, healthy and happy.
Correct.
So
I
there is a
bang
lot of
on,
change,
bang
there is
on,
a lot of change, there is a
bang
lot of
on.
change,
You
I must
really,
say. Lot of
absolutely
positive change.
correct. So again, you didn't answer my question. My question was, will the online classes, or that will be
Definitely,
the next thing?
definitely.
That would be the next thing.
Yes, that will be the next thing. The whole world is going towards digital. The
Correct.
whole world is going towards virtual. Whatever. I mean, the other day my cousin was saying, work from home. A lot of companies have given work from home notification till 2023. I don't know how far that is true, but that is the long term people are looking at, because you never know what is going to happen. And at the same time, people are getting more comfortable sitting at home doing their own thing, rather than running around here and there. They're getting going to get the same benefit
Correct.
at your
Absolutely.
own comfort, at your own comfortable place. And husbands are joining, kids are joining, moms are joining, moms-in-law, they're joining. I
Hmm.
mean, look at the thing. So it is definitely going to be the next thing. It is sad at the same time. I always keep saying that lot of gyms will definitely get affected. Lot of people will lose jobs, which is already happening,
No, it's the
with
same thing
big
in
brands.
overall the field. It's not only in
Yeah,
fitness, it's
but this
everywhere.
is a passing phase. This is just a temporary phase. People have to just hang on there,
Hmm.
and they have to look at different modes of getting into that. See, you don't have to go to a particular person's home and train them, hold their hands and legs. No,
Okay. Okay.
you can still do from here, from your comfortable place to whatever, wherever they are, you can reach out. Like now we have people from US training, people from Kuwait, and all our friends, all our known people. But it is so convenient, and everyone has started doing that. So that's wonderful.
Absolutely. Even I do understand
Online is going to be
the
the
next big
next,
thing.
undoubtedly, because of
So,
so much of uncertainty.
so if at all I want to come to do an online class with you or any matter, what should I
Yeah,
have? Should I buy the weights? Should I go to, get a
you don't
treadmill?
need
What should I
anything.
have?
Again, coming back, you don't need anything. First is your intention. Second is एक mat के उतना place to move.
Okay.
There are people working out with water bottles or without water bottles. No mat, bedsheet or अपना, our floor is still clean. But only thing is minimum तो shoes रहना. If you're doing a yoga and something, that's different. But when you're doing a medium intense program, shoes are a must, because we
Okay.
don't want people to hurt themselves or end up with injuries, right? So to be at a safe side, it is always advisable to wear
Recommended
comfortable
shoes.
clothes and shoes. And that mat ka utna place, that's all you need, nothing else.
Wonderful, Malini. So, you are also taking online classes. What do you find the difference
Yes.
doing online and doing offline? You tell something about your online classes and also your experience doing online classes and how it is helping others also in that perspective.
Like how I said, I would say plus and minus. Plus and minus. The minus is the personal rapport, the touch, what you have when you're around with people, you're talking, you're laughing, you do that, that we are used to that intimacy. We are used to that, yeah, hey, come on, all those things. We definitely miss that personal connect, undoubtedly. But the other picture is we can still see everyone. We are still with them. We know what
Correct.
they're doing, there for them, and they're with us, and they're adding all their family members, they're encouraging more and more people to do it. So it's not one
Join with them.
person there. Yeah, there are 2-3 people minimum joining with them, so that's a plus point. And everyone is still doing the same workout, and the same, they're getting the same benefit
Same
of
benefit.
workout. No
Absolutely.
change, no change whatsoever.
Very nice.
So if
So you were
somebody is thinking
talking.
ki
Huh.
training from home, the intensity, it may not be that great, or chelta hai,
So,
it's something better than nothing. No, it is the same thing. I would say it is the same, but the style of workout will be a little different. Maybe people would do a pump thing, but here you use more of your own body weight, which is the best way to go.
absolutely. So you're saying that even people who want to lose weight, who want to get back to fitness, everybody can still do online, but the intensity will be lesser comparatively to doing it in the gym. But the result
No,
will
no,
be.
intensity will not be lesser. That's what I'm saying. Intensity can be the same, but the style of workout will be a little different.
Okay, got it.
You can
Carry
always
on.
take the intensity to any level, Joe. Any level you can take the intensity up. But right now, in this situation, it is definitely not advisable to go on very, very, very high intensity workouts.
Workouts.
Definitely
Okay.
not.
Yeah, this is to applies to everybody who wants to do any
Everyone,
fitness,
yes. Because I'm
whether
seeing
it's
a lot of people
yoga,
training
whether it is.
morning, afternoon, evening.
Yeah, I know you're
Too
training
much.
3 to 4 sessions, and I do understand that the intensity should not be too high also. So the lockdown thing, once it opens, right? So what would be the first thing you will do? About open a pen, the first thing what you will go and do? I mean, whether you'll buy things, what you will do?
No, no, no buying. I mean, I'm a very emotional person. I'm a very practical person. At the same time, I'm a little emotional also. I'd just like to go enter the gym and just look at the gym and have the feel of that place. I love being there. And of course,
know.
my parents and my sister, my brother-in-law, my nephew. I mean, I have not seen them for so many
So
days,
many
so
days.
many
Correct.
months.
Correct.
So that will be the
Very
thing.
nice.
I'm
So
going
Pratima
to
has a
buy this
question.
then.
Yeah, Pratima has a question. Sorry to stop you.
Yeah.
Pratima has a question. She says, nutrition tips to improve immunity, please. What is the nutrition tips, Mani?
Eat everything. You eat everything. First thing is, this is a very big, yeah. It's good to eat everything. But there are a lot of people who want to do a weight loss program right now. So
Uh,
they think by not eating very well, it's better not to eat too much so that they lose weight. No, eat everything in limitation, starting from your nuts, your eggs, if you are a vegetarian, that is your green leafy vegetables, your fresh vegetables, your fruits, your dals, your pulkas, your rice, everything, eat everything. If you don't eat, then there is a problem, but in limitation. In
so,
limitation.
so
And
guys,
don't
eat
forget
everything.
hydration.
Don't do any
In limitation.
fasting. Don't do dieting.
Fasting again, see, if you're doing a right way of a detox thing once in a while, that's okay.
Uh,
But if you're getting over obsessed and just not eating the right thing, what will happen? Your immunity will go down, nothing else. And most
yeah.
importantly, when we're talking about diet, is hydration in this time. Hydration is the most important thing. You have to keep
Okay.
yourself very, very well hydrated. Keep drinking water, buttermilk, whatever you can. But you
So
have to
there's
keep
another
drinking.
question. Eating animals versus Corona. Shekhar Basha. He's my job. RJ is a popular RJ of the
I,
entire South India. Shekhar, your
a lot of
questions are really like, you know.
lot of lot of people will hate me for this, but I love non-vegetarian food.
So you
But
can
again,
eat non-vegetarian
uh,
food,
but
Shekhar.
again, nothing, no overeating, not too much. Chicken, fish, eggs are always welcome. Definitely not the other things. If you have to, maybe just thoda, maybe
So
a
nothing
piece or
really.
so.
So some people had a myth that, you know, if we
No,
eat,
no, no. It has nothing. They have proved. No, there is
yeah.
nothing like that. There
So
is nothing
Shekhar,
like
you
that.
just
They're
relax.
talking about wild animals and wild things which only wild people can do. So I guess hopefully we don't come under that wild category. So we are
Then we
fine with
can
that
eat
chicken, eggs,
chicken,
and
mutton,
fish.
egg,
Maybe right
fish.
now though no fish, but chicken definitely. My vote goes
So
for
you're
chicken
saying
and
not to
eggs.
eat fish, yeah?
Actually, the availability is also not too much right now.
Hmm. Hmm.
So you can
So
eat, nothing like you should not, but definitely chicken is the winner.
best option, chicken and mutton and
Eggs.
eggs.
Mutton coming. Mutton always less, right? The red
Yeah,
meats are
less.
always
Yeah, I think
less.
oh, too much of fat. So,
Always.
guys, Shekhar, I think your question is answered. Corona has nothing to do with non-vegetarian. It has even been said by KCR also. But still, you're asking me.
They conducted free camps, no? Government conducted free camps. I saw on
Camps
Necklace Road or
also.
somewhere where
Yeah.
KT or someone, pura chicken, someone, all the ministers, free mein diye chicken. It's so
Uh,
sad, the poultry industry suffered so much, but now everyone has come back into action. Now you can
okay.
see such long queues near the chicken stores. And,
Chicken store, yeah,
but
Sunday.
definitely, vegetables, fruits, green leafy vegetables, your dry fruits, and then comes your, of
Yeah,
course,
dry
your eggs
fruits
are
is
part of
something,
that.
guys.
And, and most importantly, we should not forget, Jyoti,
Hmm.
probiotic, yogurt. Yogurt,
Oh,
don't
yogurt.
forget. Yeah,
Correct.
directly it will affect your gut. So you need that.
Superb, superb. We have to eat a
Again,
yogurt.
coming back to the basics, what we eat every
No, but
day in
then
our
no money.
families
Some people stopped eating yogurt and all.
because
Seriously,
of
I'm
the
telling
cold.
you. Because జలుబు చేసేస్తుందేమో ఈ మధ్య చిన్న జలుబు చేస్తే భయపడుతున్నారు మనీ వై ఇస్ దట్
Yeah,
కొంచెం నోస్ బ్లాక్ అయినామో నాకు కరోనా వచ్చిందా నాకు ఇంకేమైనా
yeah.
అయిపోయిందా లిటిల్
See,
బిట్
you can't even blame them. We can't even blame them. ఎందుకంటే బయట scene is like that. బయట scene is like that. But I mean, if you actually see TV9 wala, they come out with that. If it is jalbu or this, it is this. If it is this is this. It was a very nice kind to put it out. until and unless there's a very major thing, we don't have. See, when you're staying back at home, you are safe. Okay, you know that you've been in the lockdown. Where is the need to worry? Until and unless you have cheated and you've gone out and did something, you don't have to
Got it.
worry.
No,
Simple.
even after the lockdown is open, people should not get afraid. The scene is lockdown and say parvaledu. Lockdown open అయిన తర్వాత కొంచెం
Oh.
we start going out and doing
Yeah,
eating
you
out.
should be careful. Yeah. See, if you wear a mask, you maintain your social distancing and your hygiene. That's enough. I mean, that's good enough. The whole world is slowly moving towards that, no, Jyoti. You can't.
Fair enough.
You
Fair
can't
enough.
escape that. That's going to be like that.
So Shekhar, your question is answered. We've told you can have chicken, you can have what we said, eggs, but no mutton and no fish as such now. And also you can have yogurt. Many people were not having it, including me. I was also very afraid not having yogurt. I've not eaten
Oh,
for
we
almost
eat
a month.
every day.
So you can have yogurt also. So that's a wonderful question asked by Shekhar. Now let's move on, Mali.
Yeah.
That was one question asked by Pratima again. How many people were you training before Corona, and how many are you training now? This is personal question.
No, but more or less it's the same. More or less
Okay.
it's the same. I would say right now, definitely around 40 people,
Uh,
40 to 45. Where
Okay.
before also it was the same. But
Okay.
there is a difference there. Pratima, there is a difference. Wahan pe in the gym, people used to do a lot of dumma. They used to be absent. But here, online,
No,
the attendance is really, really good because they don't have a choice. They don't have an option. Next day there will be a message. What happened? They can't say anything. Ki auto nahi mila, cab nahi mila. Yeah, cab was expensive or no, nothing like that. So it is from your own comfort. It is the attendance is actually very, very high. I've never seen ever in my career this kind of an attendance, Jyoti.
Seriously.
Definitely, except for two or three people, that too for a reason. Maybe one or two to lazy
Like
ho
me,
gaye honge,
I
but
was also one of them.
I didn't want to say that. I didn't want to say that,
Let's divert the
but
topic.
it came from
I'm being joined by
the
Shobha.
horse's
Shobha,
mouth.
hi Shobha. Pratima, I'm diverting the topic because I'll get shouting from Malini again. Okay. Pratima is saying that's a wonderful motivation. Yeah. So people are happy the moment you said you can eat chicken very nicely. Now you have to tell me what is the every day, what should we do to be fit? Very basic question I'm asking you. What should we
Okay.
eat?
So
How much time we should sleep? How much time we should do exercise? Tell a basic
okay.
question I'm asking you.
Basic thing is every day, if you can, do some meditation, like how I said. Once you get up early morning, do some meditation, some breathing exercises, whatever suits you. Then you take a break, whatever, you do your workout. Anything between advisable would be a 45 minutes, but people are used to up to an hour is good enough. Any minimum 30 minutes to 1 hour, you do any kind of a workout. Again, I'm coming back, any kind of a workout. Do it. Have proper breakfast. My favorite all-time breakfast, is pesarattu.
Oh wow, okay.
Always I vote for pesarattu. That is the best. Yeah. Okay. Eat every 2 hours. That is very important. At this time,
Okay.
eat every 2 hours. After that, after a couple of hours, maybe you can have some buttermilk, or you can have a fruit, or you can have a salad, anything. Okay.
Got it.
Then comes your lunch, proper lunch, dal, sabzi, green leafy vegetables, your roti, or your rice, your brown rice, your quinoa, whatever. Then
Or
again
you
after
can
2 hours,
have even
again.
chicken.
Yeah, that's absolutely fine.
Yeah.
Anything. You're a vegetarian, have vegetarian. You're a non-vegetarian, have that. And morning, if somebody can have eggs instead of pesarattu, that's well and good. Okay, every 2 hours, you keep having something or the other. But keep your dinner a little lighter only, and try to finish as early as possible. Maybe like a 7 o'clock or something. That should be good. And
Very good.
evening, don't forget to have some snack, anything,
Snack.
some dry fruits, along with your green teas. Now everybody is like, oh, green tea mein ginger,
Ginger,
lemon, everything, you know, all that jeera,
clove,
that,
leaves,
this,
everything.
people are making. Put whatever you want. Tulsi is also so good. Put everything, whatever you feel like, but have
Turmeric,
dry
tulsi,
fruits.
everything.
See, I would say overall a checklist, Jyoti. Very simple way of looking at it in terms of your diet. Eggs, pesarattu, your vegetables, your green leafy vegetables, your dal, your rice, your fruit, your dry fruits, your green teas, buttermilks, jo bhi. Have everything. So, kitne items ho gaye isme? Almost
Yeah,
8 to 9.
8 to 9, 9 items. Correct.
And you have to drink water, at least 3 liters.
That
हो
anyways we
गया
have to
ना?
drink.
So you are
Anyways we have to
eating, drinking. You don't tend to overeat.
over it.
That is,
Absolutely.
and you don't get that craving about eating some
Sweets
thing.
or,
But
junk or anything.
definitely avoid sugars. Avoid sugars. Definitely avoid sugar and processed food. That
Yeah,
is my
definitely avoid
advice.
sugar. No sugar in tea, no sugar in coffee. Drink black tea or black coffee. Even if you have milk, little bit, 2 spoons, isn't it?
I'm a little this thing with the milk, so again,
Okay.
depends.
No.
That's
Yeah,
a very
Shobha
big
is
topic.
saying, Malini, what's your secret of staying fit? Shobha is asking you this question.
Be happy always. Don't let anything, anyone affect you. Just be happy. Now, not that you have to ignore everything, but just be happy with yourself and be disciplined in your life. Be disciplined.